Hey there, evening woodworkers. Ready to elevate your craft? Let's dive into some essential tips. First, always pre-drill pilot holes. This prevents wood splitting, especially with hardwoods. Countersinking screws provides a flush, professional finish. It's a small detail with a big impact. Use a marking gauge for consistent lines. Accuracy is key for tight joints and perfect alignment. Sharpen your tools regularly. A sharp chisel or plane makes cleaner cuts and requires less force. Don't underestimate the power of sandpaper. Progress through grits for an ultra-smooth surface. Clamping is crucial for strong joints. Use multiple clamps to distribute pressure evenly. Apply glue sparingly. Too much glue weakens the joint and creates a mess. Use a block plane to refine edges. It removes small imperfections for a perfect fit. Test your finish on scrap wood first. This ensures the color and sheen meet your expectations. Apply finish in thin coats. Multiple thin coats are better than one thick, uneven coat. Allow finish to dry completely between coats. This prevents cloudiness and ensures durability. A shop-made jig can simplify complex tasks. It improves accuracy and repeatability. Use a vacuum to remove dust regularly. A clean workspace is a safe and efficient workspace. Store your wood properly. Keep it flat and dry to prevent warping and cracking. Invest in quality measuring tools. Accurate measurements are essential for successful projects. Consider ergonomics. A comfortable posture reduces fatigue and improves precision. Label your containers clearly. This saves time and prevents confusion in the workshop. When using a router, always move against the cutter's rotation. This prevents tear out. Use a featherboard to keep wood tight against the fence. It improves safety and accuracy. A card scraper can remove imperfections without sanding. It leaves a glass-smooth surface. Make a story stick for repetitive cuts. This ensures consistent lengths without measuring each piece. Use a wet rag to raise the grain before finishing. This prevents a rough finish after the first coat. Consider the wood's grain direction. It affects the strength and appearance of your project. Don't rush the process. Woodworking requires patience and attention to detail. Learn from your mistakes. Every project is a learning opportunity. Experiment with different wood species. Each has its unique characteristics and beauty. Share your knowledge with others. The woodworking community thrives on collaboration. Most importantly, enjoy the process. Woodworking is a rewarding and creative outlet. Thanks for tuning in, Evening Woodworkers. Keep crafting, keep learning, and we'll see you next time.